Hi guys, this is Rinavi George from RVG Maths and Talents. This is Applied Maths Class 11 Binary Numbers, Part 5. Conversion of binary numbers to decimal numbers. Let us start the class. See this question, convert the following binary numbers to decimal numbers. The first one is 11001 to the base 2. See, here we know this is the rightmost position and its positional value is 2 raised to 0. Okay. Then the next position is 0 here. Its positional value is 2 raised to 1. And the third one, 0, its positional value is 2 raised to 2. And the next digit is 1, its positional value is 2 cube. And the next digit is 1, its positional value is 2 raised to 4. Then we can say this one is with its positional value 2 raised to 0, we get 1 times 2 raised to 0 plus next one 0 times 2 raised to 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to 2 plus 1 times 2 cube plus this 1 times 2 raised to 4. Then we will get 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 cube plus 2 raised to 4. That is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 16. That is equal to 25. That means this binary number 11001 to the base 2 is equivalent to 25 to the base 10. Okay. This can done in an easier way. See 11001. Here we know the rightmost position belongs to its positional value 2 raised to 0. So you can write it as 1 times 2 raised to 0. Here its second position 0. Its positional value is 2 raised to 1. So 0 times 2 raised to 1. Here this third one, its positional value is 2 raised to 2. So it is 0 times 2 raised to 2. Here it is 1, its positional value is 2 raised to 3. So it is 1 times 2 raised to 3. Here this 1 is of positional value 2 raised to 4. So we got like this. Then this is 1 times 2 raised to 0 is 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. Here it is 0 times a number, that is equal to 0. This is also 0 times 2 square, that is 0. This is 1 times 2 cube, that means 8. This is 1 times 2 raised to 4, that is 16. Add all these 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16. That is equal to 25. That means this number 11001 to the base 2 is equivalent to 25 to the base 10. Okay. That means we have converted this binary number into a decimal number. Next question, it is 111010. We have to convert this number into a decimal number. So if we can write like this 111110. Then we can write the positional values here. This is 2 raised to 0. Here it is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6. Okay, 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, and 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 5 is 32, and 2 raised to 6 is 64. Then we can multiply 0 times this, that is 0, 1 times 2, that is 2, here it is 0, here it is 1, that means 8, here it is 1, that is 16, here it is 1, that is 32, here it is 1, that is 64. Then we have to add these numbers, that means 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2. That is equal to 122. That means this number 1111010 to the base 2 is equivalent to 122 to the base 10. Okay. Have you understood this? It's an easier way. Let us do the next one. See here. 11101101100. In the same way, we can write like this. Then we can write here, as we have seen earlier, you can write here 1, then double of it 2. Then each time we are multiplying with 2. Is it 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, and 2 raised to 2. That means again multiplied by one more time 2. That means we can take the double of each one. That means 1, then double of it 2, double of it 4, double of it 8, double of it 16, double of it 32, double of it 64, double of it 128, double of it 256, double of it 512. Then you can write these numbers. This is 1 times 512. So 512 plus, this is 256 plus, here it is 128 plus, here it is 0. Here it is 1, that is 32, plus again 0, that means 0. It becomes 0. Then here it is 8 plus 4, and this is equal to 940. That means this number 1110101100 to the base 2 is equivalent to the number 940 to the base 10. Come to the next example. Here also we can write this number here like this. Then we can write the positional values. 1, double of it 2, double of it 4. Like that it goes. Then we have written all these. Then we can take these numbers. That is 512 plus, here it is 0, plus 128, plus 64, plus 32, plus it is 0, plus 8, plus 4, plus 2, plus 1. That is equal to 751 to the base 10. Okay. Then come to the next question. 110, 110, 110. Here also we can write like this. Then we can write the positional values. Then we can add these numbers. 256 plus 128 plus. Here it is 0. Here it is 32 plus 16 plus it is 0 here. Then 4 plus 2. Here again 0. That is equal to 438. That means this number is equal to 438 to the base 10. Then come to the next question. 1000100001. We have written like this. We have written the positional values here. Then we can multiply. So this is 256 plus this is 0, 0, 0. Then here it is 1, 16 plus again zeros. Then 1, 1. Then sum of it is 273. That means this number is equivalent to 273 to the base 10. Then come to the next question. 100110. Write down like this. Write down the positional values. Then you can take 32 and 4, 2. Then 32 plus 4 plus 2, that is 38. That means this number is equivalent to 38 to the base 10. Okay. Then come to the next question. 110101. You can write like this. Then write down the position values. 1, double of it 2, double of it 4, double of it 8, double of it 16, double of it 32. Then we can add these numbers. 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus then 1. That means 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 32, that is 53. That means this number is equivalent to 53 to the base 10. I think all of you have understood this. If you are struggling with maths, you can join my tuition class. Its link is given in the description box. Or you can buy guidebooks from links given in the description box also. Thank you for watching. Let us see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.